Stay tuned to see how to make this simple and fast happy birthday card. Here are the supplies that you need for this card. All the specific items that I used are linked down below. The first step is to draw out the design in pencil. I used a ruler to make 2 lines, again the width of the ruler on the card, to give me the spacing for the letters. If you use the free template that I have linked below, you won't need to do this step and you can simply copy the design, which makes it really easy. Once you're happy with the design and you have it drawn out in pencil, the next step is to use a thin black pen to do an initial trace over of your pencil lines. The next step is to thicken the downstrokes of each letter to give it a bit of a calligraphy style look. I used the same thin black pen for this. Here you can see I didn't actually color that bit in yet, but I just outlined it to show and to kind of mark what I want to color in and what I want to thicken up. The next step is to color in the downstrokes of each letter, which you previously just outlined. And once you have everything colored in, the final step, if needed, is to use an eraser to just remove any pencil lines. And once you've done that, this simple card is complete. I hope you enjoyed this Fast Friday cards video and try making this card yourself. Thank you for watching.